So in this tutorial, we're gonna look at a model. You might be given schematics and you have to build an object based on those schematics. Now, I look at an object and say, what can I do from the start? Well, I could probably make a rectangle and then chisel parts away from it. And that's probably how I would start something like that. So let's go ahead and make something close or similar that might have some of the same features as that. So let's start on our top plane by sketching here. Make a rectangle. Now in your schematics you'll have measurements that will be given to you. You want to make sure they're perfect. So say ours are these measurements. Now we'd extrude up and make that rectangle I was talking about. Now you have that all the way up there. Now if you wanted to cut anything less than a circle, say half circle, quarter circle, you can actually click here. Oh, on the wrong side, on the wrong plane. So let's just stick on this plane then. And then click another side. And then pick your arc here. Then you'd be able to cut through here. You can pick your dimensions. So if you measure from this corner or to the other corner, you can enter your dimensions into here. So maybe ours is 28. And then you can pick it also from the opposite side and go from this corner if you were given measurements over here. And say ours is 7. You can also pick your radius here of this circle. And then if ours was 30, set that to 30. Now you can go ahead and complete the quarter circle here with some lines. Now you have a shape here, you can actually extrude inwards as far as maybe you're given on your schematics. So say 30. Now you have a shape that's cut in similar to maybe the other shape. Now you could add material on the top if you were extruding out and putting a shelf on there, or you can cut material downwards. So let's go ahead and cut downwards on the top here. You'd want to make sure these lengths are your schematic lengths. And match that there. Say it's that big of a square. We can put a circle, and if we stick to this line, we can lock this circle to the line, or we can build a circle over here and not lock it to anything. Let's say it was locked to the center, we can do the center circle here. We can pick a radius for it. And say it was actually 14. Now that we have this shape, we can select what edges we want to cut or extrude. So this face, maybe I want to do this one and this one and maybe this one to extrude downwards. I can extrude that as far as I need to. Let's correct this and make it 20. So we cut into there just like that. Now if we wanted to add on to this object, I find the best way, you can put a square down here and take measurements from wherever it needs to be. Oh, my apologies, let's delete that. and then say your box is 15. By 12. We can then extrude this outwards as far as it needs to go. We can then slice on the side here, maybe from a corner. Oh. And then we can put this line wherever we need it. We can then measure this if we're given some measurements for up here to this line. Let's say it's 3. Then we can complete this triangle here. And you can extrude that right through. And you through all. And then you have some sort of shape that looks like this. And then you can double check all your measurements using the evaluate measuring tool. You can click maybe an edge over here and an edge here and verify that's what you wanted. You can click off and then click back on to see maybe your radiuses and check your object. But that basically concludes trying to make a shape similar to the other one. That might help. Make sure you follow your schematics really well. Thanks for watching.